Hello there, baby doll pumpkins on Twitter Rooney. A lot of you are wondering, how does the Bitcoin and altcoin money rotation work and why? And it's very simple. I'm going to explain it to you now. You see, when Bitcoin goes up and it stops and it's run out of buyers, the people holding, they don't know it's run out of buyers yet, but it's hit a point. And what happens is there's a psychological switch that goes off in the holders' minds. What happens is they are now pre-rich. You see Bitcoin at 44,000 US dollars right now. People are already imagining it at 100,000. In their minds, they think, wow, this is a 100% certainty in the next 6, 12, 9, 18 months, I'm going to have a $100,000 Bitcoin or even higher. They're probably thinking $150,000. So in their mind, what they've done is they have a portfolio here that might be like $500,000, but they're imagining that higher price of Bitcoin, okay, because they're pre-rich. So they're looking at a $500,000 portfolio, but actually they're feeling and they're smelling a $1.5 million portfolio. So what do they start doing? They have the psychological wealth effect that the US Fed will do to manipulate markets and prices up and down and manipulate retail consumers, okay, in the economy. So what happens now that these Bitcoin holders are pre-rich, what they will do is they'll go spend as if they are rich. And so they go looking out there. They go, ooh, I'm basically a millionaire now. What I'm going to do is take some of this Bitcoin, use this money, and go throw it around in some poop coins. Okay, now obviously the $1 million question is, what poop coins do they buy? Well, when there was only like 50 coins to choose from, it was a bit easier. Now, unfortunately, there's 50,000. So you got to be a bit more smart with how you approach it. But that's what happens. These big funds as well, these friends, this doesn't just happen to like little Timmy with his little $1 million portfolio. This is also happening to funds and other VC scum and other participants out there. Okay, so they will go look at something like Ethereum and they're like, I'm licking my lips. I wonder if I can earn yield on my thingy right now, my crypto. You know, they start playing with that. And when they start playing with that, Ethereum pumps and then Ethereum starts moving and then the world of altcoins starts moving. Now, traditionally, if you look at the rotation cycle flowchart, it says after Ethereum, so it goes Bitcoin, Ethereum, and then large cap, mid cap, small cap. Wrong. Doesn't happen like that. Okay. It's literally just Bitcoin and then it's open season. Okay. There's so much marketing from different coins. There's a lot of different awarenesses. There's different sectors. No one has any idea, friends. For example, you might see one sector move, another smaller sector totally ignored, or opposites, okay? So we don't have any real formula out here. Everybody is just guessing. Don't think anybody actually really knows what they're truly going to expect ahead. All we kind of hope is that from Metcalfe's law, Bitcoin and altcoins, crypto, everything as a whole just gets in more people and the piece of the pie gets bigger for everybody, okay? So that's how the flowchart works, and that's exactly why when you see the poop coins moving, be warned, watch out. Because remember, little Timmy, he's now pre-rich. And because he's going and spending on those coins, why did he stop to think about being pre-rich, friends? It's because the market stopped. Because the market stopped, he's so euphoric, he's thinking about all the riches he's already made in his head, the psychological wealth effect from $100,000 plus Bitcoin. But what you don't know is the buyers have run out. We're actually at that $44,000 mark, okay? So that's why whenever Bitcoin runs up and stops at the tops and starts ranging around, you'll see things go ballistic. For example, you saw Pepe start moving and going ballistic when Bitcoin ran up to like that $28,000 or $30,000 mark earlier in the year, okay? You're going to see this time and time again. Now, the final blow-off at the very end of the cycle might be a number of coins, a whole series of absolute degenerate poop coins doing moves like this. But most people aren't going to listen. Why? It's because they're going to see poop coins moving up heaps and they're going to look at their coin and they're going, wait a minute. This coin did 50x in a week and it's a literal total scam joke. My coin that I'm holding from last cycle is only up 13x right now from the low. That doesn't make sense. I'm going to keep holding. Unfortunately, the market sent you a signal that what you're in has diminished so hard and could not compete with the new cycle of crypto. You see, the degenerates would rather buy new coins rather than touch your old coin, okay? That gives you an idea of what might happen to coins maybe for like example, Litecoin and others that just start fading away and don't have a cult to keep them at the tip of everybody's tongue and keep trying to get everybody in crypto to engage with them. Make sure you like, subscribe, belly button all. I do love and appreciate you. Catch you very soon.